how can you run traffic to affiliate offers with YouTube ads? Welcome back to Linx University. My name is Drew Crawford and I'm your host. So today we're actually going to be answering a question from one of our members in our Facebook group of YouTube ad buyers. So we have a question here from Brandon and he asked, is there a way to run a YouTube ad directly to an affiliate link? Or is it that you always have to have a bridge page? So actually one of our members in our group and a student of ours who is an expert affiliate marketer, he answered this very well. He said you can send them directly to the page with the final URL as long as it matches with the Google ad policies, which is not as strict as Facebook. And then Raphael, who's one of our team members here at Linx Digital, he would actually advise against the direct linking, right? So he's saying that Google may be fine with the landing page today, but it changes his mind, and you really want to have control and access over that asset, right? So for me, one of the most important things is if you create your own landing page and funnel and you have that bridge, you're actually creating an asset and you're going to actually own that list, right? If you're sending them directly to the order form of that affiliate offer or directly to that sales page of the affiliate offer, you're just arbitraging traffic, right? You're buying traffic at a certain price and you're getting paid out on the conversion value of the traffic you're sending there, right? So by actually creating your own landing page and your own bridge and capturing that email in the process, at least you're building your own asset and you have more control over where you're sending your traffic. So an example of this, just taking a look here at our own YouTube ads course. We have an affiliate program, which we'll go ahead and we'll link here in the description as well if you want to be an affiliate with us. But basically, you can sign up as an affiliate with us and you'll be given a link, right? And you could create a YouTube ad going directly to the sales page of your affiliate offer, right? That would be one way to directly link to an affiliate offer. Or a way to do it would be to actually do a training. So a way to do like a joint training is I could actually sit down with Shosh and talk about the YouTube ads course and make that a gated training where somebody, a YouTube ad, they have to go to a landing page to put in their email to get that free training. And on the back end, I would sell them the offer of the YouTube ads course, right? So that is one way to do it without direct linking. That's the way to do it to actually build your own funnel and your own asset. And it doesn't have to be anything complicated, really. We see the best offers from YouTube converting affiliate as well as just on very simple landing pages, opt in for a free training video, and then either sell them on the training or sell them on the back end email sequence. But really just keeping it simple, but building that asset is very important. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to hit the like button if you like that video and to subscribe for future videos. And if you're not already a part of our YouTube ads buyers on Facebook, feel free to join that group now. There's a lot of smart people where you can ask questions and network with other YouTube ad buyers. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then.
Walk with our feet on the ground and we will talk with our head in the clouds and we will walk.